Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 BMW Z4. The 2024 BMW Z4 has been crowned the best luxury sports car for 2025, showcasing its remarkable blend of agile performance, sleek design, and high-end features. The Z4 continues to impress with its dynamic driving capabilities and luxurious accommodations, making it a standout choice for sports car enthusiasts seeking both excitement and sophistication. Thrilling performance and handling. The 2024 BMW Z4 offers a thrilling driving experience with its powerful engine options. The lineup includes the Z4 S-Drive 30i, powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even greater performance, the Z4 M40i features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine that delivers an exhilarating 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque. The M40i can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, providing a rapid and engaging ride. Both models come equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive shifts. The Z4's rear-wheel drive configuration, combined with its well-tuned suspension and precise steering, provides exceptional handling and balance, making it a joy to drive on twisty roads or open highways. Stylish design and upscale interior. The 2024 Z4 stands out with its striking design, featuring a low-slung profile, aggressive front grille, and sleek lines that emphasize its sporty character. The retractable soft-top roof adds to its classic roadster appeal while allowing for open-air driving when desired. Inside, the Z4 offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin, with high-quality materials such as leather and aluminum accents. The cockpit features BMW's iDrive 7.0 system with a 10.3-inch touchscreen, providing intuitive control over navigation, media, and connectivity features. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience whether on a leisurely cruise or an energetic drive. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 BMW Z4 is equipped with a range of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing both safety and convenience. The Z4 also offers optional features such as a head-up display and a premium Harman Kardon sound system for an elevated driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW Z4's exceptional combination of performance, design, and luxury has earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engine options, refined interior, and advanced technology, the Z4 remains a top choice for drivers who seek a high-performance sports car that delivers both excitement and comfort.